Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I'll be creating a chandelier and matching accent table using tree branches. If you would like to find out how to create it, just continue watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with two 5-inch styrofoams. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll be gluing both of my styrofoams together. Next, I'll be using one LED remote touch light. Next, I'll place it in the center of the styrofoam and I'll trace it going around. Next, I'll be using a large skewer and I'll be making two holes 1 inch apart in the center of my trace area. Once I was done, I set it aside. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, linked below. Next, I took this 12-inch tray and I spray painted metallic silver. Next, I'll bring back my styrofoam and I'll place it in the center and I'll trace it with a silver Sharpie. I didn't have anything to fit inside the holes, so I'll take this large skewer and I color the tip in black, and then I place it inside the holes to place my markings on the tray. Next, I took my soldering iron and I made the holes over the markings. Next, I took my ruler and my silver Sharpie and I'll be placing 3 markings. Next, I took my soldering iron and I made holes where I placed my markings, and these holes will be to hang my chains later on. Next, I'll place a generous amount of hot glue in the center, and then I'll take my styrofoam and I'll place it in the center, making sure that the holes are even. I took a zip tie and I placed it inside the holes, and then I pulled it tightly, and this will add more stronger support to the styrofoam. Next, I collected branches from my backyard, and I have a huge backyard, and I only took the ones that fell on the ground. I did not cut any from the trees. Oh, there I am. Hi everyone. The branches are all in different sizes, so I'll be cutting them as I go. Next, I'll be cutting and sticking the branches inside the styrofoam, and I'll start from the bottom and work my way up to the center. When cutting the branches, I'm cutting them in an angle to make it easier to place inside the styrofoam. Once I was finished placing my branches, I applied hot glue for a better hold. I'll repeat the same steps until I reach my traced area. Before I continue, I'll be trimming off what I don't need because I want to keep a round shape. Next, I'll be repeating all the same steps. I was going to spray paint the chandelier in silver, but I changed my mind and decided to go with gold. Once that was done, I took it outside and gave it 2 coats of metallic gold. I also applied clear glossy spray paint and iridescent glitter, and I sprayed it, and then I sprinkled the glitter on top and sprayed it again to seal the glitter. To hang my chandelier, I took a Dollar Tree hanging plant chain and spray painted it in gold. And I also used 3 book rings, and these are easy to use. Just open them up and slide them through the hole and attach the chain. For my second DIY, I'll be starting off with a tall glass vase. This vase stands at 16 inches tall and 3 inches wide, and I purchased it at my local Goodwill for $4.99. Next, I'll be working with tile adhesive, and I'll be taking scoops and placing it inside the vase, and I'll be pushing it towards the bottom until I fill up my bottom half. I also took some and placed it around the inside of the top rim. Once I was done, I took a large skewer and I started pushing the adhesive down. Next, I'll be using 4 wooden rods, and I'll take my rods and I'll start placing them inside the vase on all 4 corners, making sure that they reach to the bottom. Once I had my rods in place, I started applying more tile adhesive for a better hold. And when working with tile adhesive, you have to kind of work with it very quickly because it does dry very fast. Next, I'll be working with a 7-inch ceramic bowl and a 10-inch ceramic plate. Next, I'll be using my strong adhesive super glue, and I'll start applying a generous amount on the bottom side around the edges of the plate. For a much faster hold, I also apply hot glue. Once that was done, I took the bowl and placed it on top, and then I cleaned up any spillage and let it dry for 1 hour. Once it was dry, I repeated the same step with my strong adhesive super glue and hot glue and placed my vase on top, and I let it dry for 1 hour. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Next, I'll be using this 4-inch block styrofoam, and I'll be cutting it to fit the top part of the inside of the vase. Next, I'll be repeating the same steps with the tree branches, and I'll be sticking them inside the styrofoam, creating a full round effect. Once that was done, I took the entire table base outside and spray painted 2 coats of metallic gold. I also repeated the same steps with the glossy spray paint and glitter. And for my table top, I used a 16 by 20 glass top. I really do love the way this accent table turned out in the chandelier. It's a beautiful set, and it's a great way to start off your holiday season. What I love about this set is that it was very affordable and easy to make, but it's also simple and glamorous at the same time. And let's not forget the beautiful lighting and shimmering they'll bring into that special room or area in your home. And who cannot say that fallen tree branches and nature can look this glamorous in your home? And from my family to yours, I would like to wish you a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy both DIYs as much as I enjoyed creating them. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.